How to add border to video in Capcut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add border to video in Capcut. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up Capcut and then add your preferred video in the editing piece. Now after you have video in your timeline, if you want to add border, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. There, look for an option as overlay. Here it is overlay, tap on overlay. Then tap on add overlay. Head towards the top right corner and tap on library. So from here, select a black border, then tap on add. Now once you have added this black border, in order to resize its ratio, head towards the bottom menu bar and from there tap on transform, then go to resize. Now from here select your preferred ratio so that it matches with your background video, so tap on tick mark. Once you have it, with the help of your fingertip, resize it so that it gets fitted with your video. Once you have done that, now what you have to do is go back and from this menu bar now search for an option as mask. Tap on it. So from here select rectangle and then tap on invert option at the bottom left corner. Now again, with the help of your fingertip, you can resize it to its edges. Edit the way you want, and once you're done, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. And there you go, a border has been added to your video. Now you can export this. And that's how you can add border in Capcut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.